All right, we're going to rock out this GCF factoring introduction here. So, greatest common factor, this is reverse distributive property. You're trying to do this. Distributive is multiplying. Reverse distributive is division. So you look and see, like if you went to the answers and distributed them, there are actually only one of them would work. This is the only one that would work. So if you knew nothing else, like I don't even know what a GCF is. If I distribute here, I do not get this answer. If I distribute here, I do not get this answer. If I distribute here, I do not get this answer. So this is the only one that works. Sometimes there'll be more than one, and we'll discuss that when we get to it. But let me show you why that's the answer. So look at the 6, the 3, and the 12. What's the biggest number that goes into 6, 3, and 12? It's 3. And then you look at the x's. How many, for the variables, you're looking at like the smallest amount. So there's x squared here. There's x here, so like I couldn't take x squared anymore because it's too big for this. And there's no variables here, so like how many x's could you yank out of all 3 of those is none because there aren't any here. So the only thing you can yank out is 3. And then remember, distributive is multiplication. So reverse distributive is division. What you're going to do is divide each of those by 3, and if you do that, you'll end up here. And that's your answer. All right, similar setup. Similar math, different setup. So what they're saying here is this is the length, this is the width, and I know that when I multiply those two together, I get this 6x squared and this 10. So algebraically, this is like 2 times what gives you the 6x squared plus 10. And then what's happening is you're factoring. So if you divide both of these by 2, this will give you 3x squared plus 5. And that's your answer. Same thing here. If you want to do 6x squared divided by 2, that will tell you the top piece of this little pink part is 3x squared. And then you want to do 10 divided by 2. And again, where am I getting the 2 from? Because of that. Give me 5. There's my 3x squared plus 5. Either way you want to get to it. All right.